Which cage are we climbing? That one all the way?
Yeah.
Oh. They're coming for defense.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
You play your game. They're light. So slow even. Slow smooth, okay?
Yeah,
Don't worry,
yeah.
don't worry about the ball. I mean, go careful with the ball. Go to the left, yeah. Yeah, good. You're doing great, defense. Don't worry about the defense. Go whatever is easy, okay? Defense, take your time.
I didn't see it.
It goes in, right? It goes in the pipe, so take your time. They're going to defend? Okay, great.
Yeah, we have a time chain issue, so they're on the defense.
All right. Don't touch it. Take your time, Iben. Watch it. Okay, we're doing great. Good, Iben. Very good. Go around. What's the ball? Yeah, the back. Do the back. Yes. Don't hit the corner. Take your time. Watch the ball. Iben, why so hard? Go. Okay, we're doing great. We're winning. Let's keep going. What's your boss? What's your friend?
Yeah.
Sorry, so sorry guys.
All good.
Slow, steady. Okay. One more, and then one more level 3. Come on, look into it. Feel it. Yeah, level 4 at the back. One more, even can see it. What's our teammate?
And there's one foot left as well. Station, yeah.
Okay, level 3 and climb. Level 3 and climb. In front of you, man, in front of you.
Yeah.
In front of you.
Yeah, sure.
Even slow. Okay, go back.
Climb.
Okay, climb.
4.
Open.
Nice. 7 is far.
Yeah, sorry. I should have folded the ball like
No, it's okay.
this.